Hey everyone, my name is Richard, and today I want to do my second post for my video presentation. I am going to be covering Module 12, which I believe is Social Judgment Theory. Social Judgment Theory, to me, I think consists of three different components. One being attitude, one being interpretation, and the third being your perception. All three kind of come together to form a general idea of what is and what is not acceptable and kind of well known in society. So a good example of that that I can relate with you guys is about 2 years ago, I was a manager at a store called The Buckle. I don't know if any of you have heard of it, but it's out in Midland, Texas, so quite a while from here. But I worked there for about a year, and after a while, you want to begin to try to get a raise, especially if you plan on being there long term, and you want to, you want to grow, you want to go up, you want to be a part of something bigger than what you started. And I'd always tell my manager, like, hey man, like move me up, let me be a manager, because I had good sales. People enjoyed like having appointments with me, and I really loved my job. I always brought a positive energy to the table. And what's interesting is, like I mentioned before, the three things: attitude, interpretation, and perception. Those are the things that I had to have in order to move up in the company. An attitude, as in I needed to come in positive. I needed to reflect positivity on my job. I needed people to be positive because no one wants to work with anyone who's negative all the time. I mean, no one wants to do that. And interpretation, all about how you deliver a message to somebody. So if my boss says, hey Richard, go clean this, or go count that, or go move that, I would, with the biggest smile, and I went ahead and I did what he wanted every time, no matter what, and he was always grateful and always appreciative. And then to the third point, perception. So in his mind, he saw me doing those things. He saw the attitude. He knew the drive I had. He knew what I wanted. And so his perception of that is, if this man is doing everything right, why not do the right thing and promote him? Why not move him up? Why not do everything necessary to get him where he needs to be? So through social judgment theory, I was able to get the promotion. I was manager for a year, and I was, I improved sales, and I did some pretty cool stuff while working for the Buckle. All because of three little ideas that came from one theory that, ended up being awesome and working for me and doing everything good for me. So hopefully my story portrays a good idea of what social judgment theory is, and hopefully it, did everything you guys needed, and it proved my point. And thank you for paying attention and listening, and I hope you have a good day.